Today is gonna be legendary. Or catastrophic. Probably both. Pizza, donuts, fruits. What could possibly destroy my house? First victim, I mean guest.
Happy birthday, boss. Pizza delivery, extra cheese, extra responsibility.
You bring pizza via web slinging? You're a health code violation.
Dark! The donuts of the 9 realms have arrived for your mortal celebration.
Thor, that's 200 donuts. We're 4 people.
Then we feast until the sun rises again. Hulk, bring fruits. Eat fruit. Stay healthy. No junk.
Fruits at a birthday party? Hulk, you're officially the dad friend.
Dance. Party good. Hulk happy. Dance of the gods! My priceless floor is now priceless rubble. This is the best party ever! Hulk smash birthday cake. To the birthday king. The king is losing his castle.
Zero out of 10. Would not recommend inviting Hulk. Happy birthday to me. Gift, 6 months of construction. I officially hate birthdays. Next year, virtual party? Hulk, very sorry.